My name is Mary. I am a lighting designer and I'm the founder of Exin Lighting. At Exin, we do all lighting solutions, including architectural lighting and bespoke decorative lighting. I always had this passion about lights. I have a master's degree in architecture and another degree in interior design. And in both, my interested part and subject was always lighting. So I started this business at 2017, and since then we are making some interesting projects. So here in this exhibition, in the Light Plus Intelligent Building Exhibition 2025, we are here with a good news for our clients and the visitors, which is we are exclusive distributor of Clartés factory. Clartés Bohemia is from Czech Republic. Their factory is from more than 100 years ago, and generations of artisans, glass blowers are working there. And so what we wanted to have here in UAE was high quality Bohemian crystal for our bespoke lighting designs. So looking forward to have more beautiful chandeliers in different locations in Dubai. Yeah, I think maybe